You know, as a person, there's nobody more likable than Jennifer Doudna. And I tell you, I've written about some people, and I knew
He just
Steve
sped
Jobs
right through
pretty
the stop
well.
sign
I was spending
and
a lot of time
you
with
ran
him
into a guy.
in my book.
Think about it. Here's what they 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 think about it.
Exit dive.
Here's what they think about it. Here's what they think about it. The door open. He's not listening. He's screaming from across the room. Yep.
Ran right through the
His
stop.
mouth is half full with a salad at that point. That's
Holy
exactly
shit, someone
what
that
I thought
stops.
about it. So,
I practically ignored that stop sign. Went through the stop. Masshole left.
Thor.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like
Yep.
it takes away from other things. It takes away from
The
other
logging
things
truck ran the red
but
light.
away-
Glass and set it down. Wrong? Now what could be wrong? I mean, is it something specific?
Nope.
She tasted and took pictures of it. This is the town pump in the little seaside town where we spent our vacation.
Exit dive.
Isn't that quaint? Yeah.
After the first session, it's like, okay, we used him in with the vaguely homophobic stuff, and
Exit
no one
regret.
said anything bad, so now we're going to get a bit more extreme.
Brandy remembered with a sudden stab of nostalgia that was unexpectedly painful. Back in the days when they could still cry over the ending of Charlotte's Web, and moan happily over Chucky Mayo, the cutest boy in school. The Lauder's lawn was somehow English.
Exit
with
regret.
Kindness and peace.
Hello.
He ran from the south sidewalk to the north, squeezing between bumpers and scrambling over hoods almost hot enough to blister his skin. But the north sidewalk was also empty. He cupped his hands around his mouth and cried, "Rita!
Yeah, of course.
Rita!"
Audio
His only
asshole.
answer,
Right up to the microphone and fucking did like the
Nope.
best hour anybody had seen. I don't know. Can you imagine if you unionized help down there and everybody
Slow
just
down,
all
move
right.
over.
I don't know, but then you'd
I
have,
gave
like,
him
rapists
room.
and fucking pedophiles down there.
he had become accustomed to the thought. After all, she was nearly 3 months along, nearly a third of the way there. For the first time, she wondered with some unease
Nice
who
cut
would
off.
help her have her baby.
Exit regret. Whoa, boy. Exit dive. Exit dive up there.
Lens, and I read in the Bible that the borrower is slave to the lender, and I started learning from Christian teachers that the Bible doesn't have anything good to say about debt, so if God...
Masshole left. Red, 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 red.
Two that are pushing to sell my mom's house right away, and two that want to hold on to it for a few months stuff.
Red light run. Exit regret. Exit regret. Did not move over. Nope.
As in, you're making a fuss.
Okay, you cheated, man. Wait, a fuss is one word? No. What's two words?
Red light run.
Two words.
Kelly. And Huck Finn
Douchebag.
is awesome. Jaber Crow by Wendell
Really?
Berry is awesome.
Pennsylvania douchebag.
United for separation of church
is an attorney. She was the deputy director
Exit
for
dive.
the Religious Action Center.
To remain on track and on his journey. I think it's why he made an incredible project manager. He was extremely organized and focused on his sobriety.
Yeah, of course. What a douchebag. Really? Another one? No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you can't be there. Nope.
Kind of down home Americana.
Oh shit,
I mean,
dear.
they just kind of
Don't go in the street.
You know, the aesthetic of the old Mac versus PC.
I did an instrument approach into Santa Monica.
Of course.
And then I transitioned.
Oh, Jesus. Stay on your own side.
Oh, info security. Oh, that's why you're not giving it out. I see. No, it's just James has a mask on too, by the way. He actually has a mohawk. He didn't even look like that at all. He's got a big mustache. All right, so what is my routine?
Asshole left. I don't know if that got on camera.
A lot of people tell me they're for heavy stuff, so I just feel like I have that to deal with.
Asshole left.
To my heavy stuff. I sometimes don't.
Let's do it anyway.
Kelleher, sober as a judge days after that hazy meeting
ran
at
right
the
through the
St.
stop
Anthony
sign.
Hotel bar.
Things, and we're like, if you're living right next to us, they're gonna, they're gonna be upset at us for this or that, and things like this are gonna happen for the rest of our life.
Yeah, throw your hands in the air.
Give him a big thing to be a.
Wow.
Adjusting to his new home has been tough. They can't
Did
afford
not
typical
stop.
school-related
And he waves at
costs
me
like
too.
sports uniforms.
I feel special.
The shoe has to sign up. They turn a spare room into an office. And Grubhub is born.
That was ballsy. Asshole left. Just rolled right through.
Well, if you can't turn these planes in 10 minutes, I'm going to fire all of you. Then I'll go out and hire another group of guys. And if they can't do it, I'll fire them too. I'll keep on firing people.
No turn on red 7 to 9. It is 8:15.
Tail wagging frantically back and forth. It jumped up, placing
Didn't
its
stop.
forepaws on Stu's belly and its forward mo 30. The town of Pomptonville was laid out below him like a scale model community on a kid's HO
what the
railroad
hell?
table. The tanks were only half a mile down in front of the Methodist church, ended up being his stepfather. Hey, Carly, got a riddle for you. How can your father kill your father? And man, he ha 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 ha. He was standing at the head of the graveled eyes, then trebled. There was another coughing roar as rising air pressure caused the cheery oil company
Exit
office building to
dive.
implode. Scimitar's way was as clear as it was down here. Chicago was a dream wrapped in summer haze. There was a faint blue glint to the far north that was either Lake Michigan or just wishful thinking.
Straight from a right turn only lane.
The air had assigned 7-digit numbers in their heads. There was nothing thoughtful or cognitive about it. He simply let his eyes wander here and there. And his hands would move with quick, effortless confidence.
And then he got cut off too. Nice.
Or would they maybe not burn at all? He would find out. The soft summer breeze puffed out the first 2 matches he lit.
What are
dropped
you
their
doing?
blackened stumps onto the riveted steel.
No No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 today. Someone just commented that they miss me saying, no trucks in the left lane today. Well, P's still there and he's going to be there for a while. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, bye.